Sometimes those who don't socialize much aren't antisocial. They just don't have tolerance for drama and fake people. What does it mean?
Feel the trouble coursing through your veins. Now I know.
First of all, the source of this quote is anonymous.
Announce them is sparking up. These cigarettes won't stop in wondering where you are. Don't let go.
This quote means, it does not mean that if somebody does not like staying among the crowd or being social, and the person is just antisocial. It definitely means that maybe the person does not want the outcome of being social. Because in social life, people understand differently. There are those who come with their personal choice to influence the society. Then also there are those who want to create their own happiness via other people. For example, the scenario when Will Smith slapped the other comedian in the Grammys Award show. The comedian was making jokes using the name of the wife of Will Smith. Yet it was hurting Will Smith and the wife. So he did not sit back. He went and slapped the guy seriously. Now, what do you think about Will Smith? The next time a kind of show like that happens, he is most likely not to attend. To some people, he will be antisocial, but to the real context, he is just avoiding drama and fake people. Though what he did was not correct, you would have maybe gone there to try to talk to him, tell him, stop that, you're making me angry, and then you hold another meeting later, rather than slapping and shaming the friend in public. It was a necessary evil though. Thank you.